Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, November 21st, 2023. It is 3:29 and 20 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, air cleaners. So let's hum to it here. Air cleaners don't stop you getting sick. Date November 17th, 2023. Source, University of East Anglia. New research shows that air filtration systems, or air cleaners, don't stop you getting sick. Air cleaners are designed to filter pollutants or contaminants out of the air that passes through them. A new study published today reveals the technologies designed to make social interactions safer indoor spaces are not effective in the real world. The team studied technologies, including air filtration, germicidal lights, and ionizers. They looked at all the available evidence but found little to support hopes that these technologies can make air safe from respiratory or gastrointestinal infections. When the COVID pandemic hit, many large companies and governments including NHS, the British military, and New York City, and regional German governments investigated installing this type of technology in a bid to reduce airborne virus particles in buildings and small spaces. Air treatment technologies can be expensive, so it is reasonable to weigh up the benefits against cost and to understand the current capabilities of such technologies. They analyzed evidence about microbial infections or symptoms in people exposed or not to air treatment technologies and 32 studies, all conducted in real-world settings like schools or care homes. So far, none of the studies of air treatment studied during the COVID era have been published. In short, they found no strong evidence that air treatment technologies are likely to protect people in real-world settings. There is a lot of existing evidence that environmental and surface contamination can be reduced by several air treatment strategies, especially germicidal lights and high-efficiency particulate air filtration. But the combined evidence that was these technologies don't stop or reduce illness. There was some weak evidence that the air treatment methods reduce likelihood of infection, but this evidence seems biased and unbalanced. They strongly suspect that there were some relevant studies with very minor or no effect, but these were never published. The findings are disappointing, but it is vital that public health decision makers have a full picture. Hopefully those studies that have been done during COVID will be published soon and we can make a more informed judgment about what the value of air treatment may have been during the pandemic. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.